Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of rugged smartwatches with the Pakrys military smartwatch. This tactical timepiece boasts a ton of features designed for the active lifestyle, and we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions? This watch is chunky. The 2.0-inch screen is definitely noticeable, and the overall design screams durability. It's got that tough, tactical aesthetic, which some will love and others might find a bit much. But hey, it's a military-inspired watch, so it's supposed to look the part. Now, let's talk about that 2.0-inch screen. It's an IPS HD display with a 240 by 282 resolution. While not the sharpest display on the market, it's bright, clear, and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. Navigating the interface is smooth and responsive, which is a big plus. One of the standout features of this watch is its claimed 3 ATM water resistance. Pakrys says it can withstand depths of up to 30 meters, making it suitable for swimming and even diving. While I haven't taken it scuba diving, I did wear it in the shower and for a swim, and it held up perfectly fine. Always a good sign. Battery life is another area where this watch shines. With a 430 milliamp hours battery, Pakrys claims you can get 5 to 7 days of regular use, and up to 25 days on standby. In my testing, I got a solid 6 days with moderate use, which is pretty impressive for a smartwatch with this many features. Speaking of features, this watch is packed. It's got over 100 sports modes, from running and cycling to swimming and even yoga. It tracks your heart rate, sleep, and steps, giving you a comprehensive overview of your daily activity. The data is presented clearly in the companion app, which is easy to use and navigate. The Pakrys also handles notifications well. You can receive calls, texts, and app notifications directly on your wrist. You can even answer calls directly from the watch thanks to the built-in microphone and speaker. Call quality is decent, not amazing, but definitely usable in a pinch. One feature that I found particularly interesting is the AI voice assistant. You can ask questions and give commands using your voice, similar to other voice assistants. It's not as polished as some of the more established assistants, but it's a nice addition nonetheless. Now, let's talk about the military-grade durability. Pakrys claims this watch has passed 12 military tests, making it resistant to shocks, dust, and extreme temperatures. While I haven't put it through military-grade testing myself, it definitely feels rugged and well-built. I've accidentally bumped it against a few things, and it's held up without a scratch. Overall, the Pakrys military smartwatch is a solid option for anyone looking for a durable, feature-packed smartwatch. It's got a bright display, long battery life, and a ton of fitness tracking features. The military-inspired design might not be for everyone, but if you're looking for a tough and reliable smartwatch, this one is definitely worth considering. The communication features, including call answering and AI voice assistant, add even more value. While the price point might be a little higher than some other budget smartwatches, the features and durability justify the cost. If you're in the market for a rugged smartwatch that can keep up with your active lifestyle, definitely check out the Pakrys military smartwatch.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.